Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find deleted messages on WhatsApp. So for example, if you have gotten a message, opened it up and deleted it basically, you can go ahead and try to go to settings, to notifications, go ahead, find WhatsApp. Now here it is. Open it up, and if your notifications were turned on when you got this message and you haven't opened it up through the notification, you can go ahead, swipe down your phone like so, and you will find all of your notifications right there, even if you have deleted the message. Now, another way would be to go to your WhatsApp application, open it up, and now as you can see, when you swipe this message and click on more, then you have this delete chat option. And if you have deleted it recently, you may go ahead to the settings here, and here on chats under privacy, right there, you may go ahead and go on chat backup, click on it. And as you can see, my backup was today. And if you have backed up WhatsApp recently, then you are able to go ahead and use that backup. So basically, you can just make the backup daily, and then you will find the chat on your backup. And that's basically it. That's how few options how you can find your deleted messages on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.